If you'd like to see how I complete this Get Ready With Me collab video, watch the video all the way to the end. There are different steps in how this look came together. Today's a Get Ready With Me. I am going to base my eyes with MAC Paint Pot. And today's look is for the collab with the group Keeping It Real Fun. We bring a collab to you every second Wednesday of the month. The next 3-month themes was produced by Manuela from Makeup Therapy. And she picked some really unique, nice stuff. Here is our theme. Our theme for January collab is say, superhero makeup, how you do a makeup when you feel unwell, but you don't want to show up. Share the secret how to look better when you're not well. That's our theme. I love this. This is so much fun. And the eye base that I have today is MAC Paint Pot. It is called It's Fabstract Pro Long Wear Paint Pot by MAC. So you hear what the theme says. The theme says create a look for when you're not feeling well, a look you would create to bring back a little bit of life to you. I am creating this look. You just have to keep watching to see how it unfolds because this is a fun look for me. If I wasn't feeling good, this is the look I would sit right here and create just to bring back a little bit of good mood spirit to my soul. This is a fun makeup. I love this theme. Oh my Lord, my superhero makeup. I am a superhero. Get ready with me today for this Keeping It Real Fun collab. It is good. Thank you, Manuela, for picking these themes. I am so happy. There are some pretty shimmers and I'm torn which one I'm going to use. So I'll just use 2 of them. The 2 that I want to use, I will have to use them because I am torn between them. When I tell you I am torn, I am torn. So I'll use 2 shimmers. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. Please seek help if you need it. The second shimmer has a black base. That kind of surprised me, but I'm going with it. I'm putting it right over the green. Again, I never swatched them before. I am just playing with them now. So whatever I forget, that's what it is. I am being a superhero. I am not. This is the makeup I do for fun and brings me life if I am feeling down or not up to it. This is the makeup I would create because that gives me joy. The brow bone needs a little something. So I'm going to go right here with the brow bone. A little bit of shimmer. I think I take more than I need to, but we will make it work. We will make it work. making sure I have it aligned the way I want to, and then I'll fix it. Fixing the brow bone highlighter. Makeup is coming together. Let's do face. Let us do face. Now we are doing face. I am doing my corrector. I'm now going to set the corrector. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me 360. That's the old one. And it's matte. It's almost done. Today's I am is I am wonderful. I am wonderful. This is my look for today for the collab with the group, Keeping It Real Fun. I use the Botanicals palette by Beauty Bay. My lip color is an ice cream box liquid lipstick. All the ladies that are taking part in today's collab, their information is in my description box. Please go visit them. Let us see what eye look that they create when they're not feeling so well, but they need a little pick-me-up. This is mine. I glam myself up and change my mood. Please remember to hype this video, share it with someone else. And as always, until I see you and you see me, remember how wonderful you are. You are a precious gem in this universe, and God loves you. Remember, today's I am is I am wonderful. See you shortly. Bye.